Surah 98, Surah Al-Bayyinah, the evidence.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful.
لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين.
Those who disbelieved among the people of the book and the polytheists were not going to stop from disbelieving.
والمشركين منفكين حتى تأتيهم البينة.
They were not going to stop from disbelieving until there came to them clear evidence.
رسول من الله يتلو صحفا مطهرة.
A messenger from Allah reciting purified scriptures
فيها كتب قيمة.
containing upright commandments.
وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة.
Nor did those who were given the scripture become divided until after there had come to them clear evidence.
وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين.
And they were not commanded except to worship Allah, being sincere to Him in religion.
مخلصين له الدين حنفاء ويقيموا الصلاة ويؤتوا الزكاة.
Being sincere to Him in religion, inclining to truth, and to establish prayer, and to give alms.
وذلك دين القيمة.
And that is the correct religion.
إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم.
Indeed, they who disbelieved among the people of the scripture and the polytheists will be in the fire of hell.
في نار جهنم خالدين فيها.
In the fire of hell, abiding eternally therein.
أولئك هم شر البرية.
Those are the worst of creatures.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية.
Indeed, they who have believed and done righteous deeds, those are the best of creatures.
جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن.
Their reward with Allah will be gardens of perpetual residence.
جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار.
Gardens of perpetual residence beneath which rivers flow.
تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا.
Beneath which rivers flow, wherein they will stay forever.
رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه.
Allah being pleased with them, and they with Him.
ذلك لمن خشي ربه.
That is for whoever has feared his Lord.
صدق الله العظيم.